AAAPOS RetailManager version 12.5.723. Update features and enhancements. You can now send invoices, statements, sales orders, quotes, etc. to more than one email address. In the customer window under the email address field, just enter all the emails you want transactions sent to, separating each email address with a comma. We have added a partial text search option. You will no longer have to use the equals, star, a word then star option when selected. Just type a word, a letter, a number, etc., and RetailManager will find it. This option will search the barcode, description, serial number, extended description, custom 1, custom 2, name or supplier in the transaction or information windows. To use this option, open up a search window by selecting F2 on your keyboard and selecting Use Partial Text Search. If you wish to search by barcode first, select the option to prompt for partial text search, which will search the barcode first, and if RetailManager cannot find what you're looking for in the barcode, you will then be prompted to search all other areas. We have now added a warning to the goods received window for the invoice date. A warning will now appear if your invoice date is more than 60 days into the past or future. This will eliminate incorrectly entered invoice dates and will stop accounting export issues. We have added a lookup by invoice number to the debtor payments window. This is ideal if the customer pays by direct deposit and uses the reference number as their invoice number. Just enter your staff number, then select the invoice number field, type in the invoice number, and select Enter on your keyboard. This will then provide the relevant invoice number information, so you can process the payment. We have enhanced the bulk deletion of stock. Just go to Stock Management, select Bulk Delete, and select Yes to close your shopfront. You have the option to delete stock by department and/or categories, inactive stock, and products that track serial numbers. Then add the exclude stock created after date. This means to not delete any stock item that has been created after the date you enter. Then just add the last use before date. This means that no transactions have happened with the products since the date you entered. This is ideal for newly created products that have not yet had any transactions against them. Please note, any products with a quantity against them will not be deleted. Once you have entered your criteria, select Search, which will then bring up a list of products to be deleted. You can then select the products to delete and then select Commit. Please note, a backup will be created with the date deleted, so you can always go back to this backup if you need to look up transactions for the deleted stock items. We have added the purchase order and invoice numbers to the goods received lookup window. The return authorization number section also had been added to the returned goods lookup window. The custom field in the sales window is no longer case sensitive. You can search for part of a word or number. You can now search sales orders and quotes by dollar value. You can now look up phone numbers or part of a phone number, which will look for mobile or phone numbers in the address 1, 2 and 3 fields of the customer, or select Include Delivery Phone Number to include the phone number from delivery docket details. You now have the option to goods receive static quantity items. Just go to Setup, Options, General, Other and select Allow static quantity in goods received. Please note, be warned, this can cause issues with your profit margins and accounting export data. You now can display a pop-up in the sales window for the customer message. Just go to Setup, Options, Alerts and select Display Customer Messages as a prompt during sale. This is ideal if you want your staff to see a message relating to the customer. You now have the option to print the customer's mobile number or email on A4 receipts. Just go to Setup, Options, Printing, Settings, and select Include Customer Mobile or select Include Customer Email. We have added an option to include additional security for API connection in the Accounting Export Setup window. Depending on how your user access is set up in MYOB Accounting, if you are getting access denied errors when exporting purchases, you will need to select this option. We have added a Rebuild Compact prompt reminder to keep your shopfront optimized. We'll keep reminding you every 90 days to do Rebuild Compact after hours. To do this, go to File, then Configuration, and select Yes to close your shopfront. Then select Maintenance, then select your shopfront so that it is highlighted, then select Rebuild Compact and follow the prompts. Please note that RetailManager needs to be closed on all other PCs when doing this.